Hello, you're welcome to this my video tutorial on web. So today I'll be teaching you on how to build a website using HTML, but not actually a complete website. What I'll be teaching you today on this video tutorial is how to actually output text, image, video, and actually to output documents in HTML in webs of for websites using HTML. So what we are going to do here before you start, that's what you need to know about designing of a website. So what you need to know is this: you need to know how to do proper documentation of your file. That we call file management. Wow. So what you need to know is that you need to organize your files. If you are using image, you need to have a folder for your image. If you are using videos, you have to have a folder for the videos. If you are using any document, you have to have a folder for the document. Then for the HTML, you have to have separate folder for that HTML. So now all these folders will be inside one folder, and this one folder we're going to create to put all this folder inside. You have to give it a name which you can remember and know that you save it on your desktop. So what we need to start now, I'll right click on my screen, go to new folder, click on new folder to create that. So the new folder will be created on my screen, and I'm going to change the new folder. I'll call the new folder HTML. This is my own folder here. I call it HTML class. So I'll open this HTML class. I'll open it up here. I'll open it up here now. This is where inside this folder is where I'm going to create those folders I've talked about: the image, video, documents, and HTML folders. So what I need to do, I'll come up here, I'll click new folder. Now these are the folders I've opened here. So I will rename this one. I'll call this HTML. This HTML, I'll hit enter. So this HTML folder I've created here is where all my HTML files is going to be saved in. So here I'll click on this and I'll right click to rename this. So I'll call this my image folder. This image folder is where I'm going to save all my images. So the next one here is I'll right click to rename. So I'll call this my video folder. So this is where all my videos are going to be saved in. So the next one the new folder is going to, what I'll call it is my documents. This is my document folder where all my documents, which is going to be a PDF folder. So what I need to do, I will actually go to my desktop to look for documents. What I call for the meta data statement. So I'll copy this and put it on my so let me copy this and put it on my document folder. Copy this, put it on my document folder. Put the documents, put it in. So the next I will do, I will go and look for a video. Can be take any video. Okay. Let me see. Look for a video. Okay, I have a video here. So take this video. I'll copy this video and also go back to my own folder we have created for my website designing. So go to video. I'll put it inside the video. I'll put that inside the video. So I need to go back to my desktop to look for an image. I'll come to this place and I will actually get an image here. Wow. I'll get this image and this image. So I will copy it and take it to my folder. Go to my image folder, then paste it there. So now what I need to do, I just close this. So what we are doing here now is for us to actually go here. Sorry, for you to start, if you don't have Notepad++, you have to pause the video and download a a Notepad++ and install it on the actually install it on your system, because for me I'm using Notepad++. So if you have Notepad++ already on your system, just start yours. So I'm gonna start my own here. So this is my Notepad++. So actually there's a procedure of designing this website. You cannot just open Notepad++ like this and start writing code and you think it will actually work as a writing code like that. So what I'm teaching you here is I'm using Notepad. I'm going to be using html5 to teach you this. So because it's a html5 you are using, I have to start here with a called !doc_type html. So this !doc_type html here actually tells you that we are using what they call html5 documents. So what I need to do here, I'll take my cursor to file, click on file, go to save as. I want to save this file, go to save as. So this tab will open up for me. I'll go to my desktop, then I need to search for that folder I created on my desktop. So I have to, because I named my own HTML class, so I have to search for it. So here is the HTML class, so I need to open it up. This is HTML file, so I'll open HTML folder, then name this index.html, because the first file you are creating for your website must be named index.html, because if you host the page, what actually the server will be looking for on your folder is what they call index.html, but that is where people can navigate to your website. So I've named this index.html. I'll go to save as type, click on it, locate hypertext markup language, which is HTML. So I'll click on it, then go to save. Now my file has been saved. So the next thing I need to do, I need to start up to build HTML, then close the angular bracket, scroll down, open an angular bracket to close the HTML, because you must have to open the tag, HTML tag, and close it. So inside here is where I'm going to start to actually output my tags, which I'm going to use in this page. So the first tag I'm having is what we call the head. So I open my angular bracket, head, then close the angular bracket, move down, then close the head, close my angular bracket. So I want to quantify something for you here, that this head we have outputted now, the opening tag and the closing tag of the head here. Inside it, anything you put inside this head does not appear or display on the web browser. You cannot see it on the web browser. So what we are going to be doing here, we're going to output our title. What a user that visits the website will be seen as the name of the web. So I'm going to call this HTML class. So I'll need to close my title. So now we are done. So if we have done this, just Ctrl S saves it for you. Come on top of this press, on top of the bar here, you see what they call run. Just click on run. You see this drop down, launch on Firefox, launch on IE, any browser you have, you can launch it through there. So what I need to do here, I have to launch my own through Chrome. If I have a Chrome here, I'll click on Chrome. So this is going to my Chrome is coming up. So let's see the output of what you have just done now. So if you look at the left hand side here, you see where we have HTML class. The HTML class we're having on this tab here on top by the left hand side here. You see this is where the title is going to be displayed. So if you look at other websites, you will see the same thing. The name of the website will be displayed up here. So let us go back to our browser. So the next thing we are going to do after doing this is going to open the body tag. So this is our body tag. Okay, this is our body tag here. Sorry for that. So open it, body tag, and go down to close the body tag. So the next thing I'm going to do now is we're going to actually write the text here. So I'm going to write, put here, say welcome to HTML web. So now know that anything you write inside this between the opening tag of the HTML of the body and the closing tag of the body is going to display on your web browser. So now I have written welcome to HTML web. So if I save this, Ctrl S to save, and go back to my browser and actually refresh, I'll be seeing what I've just written, welcome to HTML web. So return back. Now I'll be showing you how to actually put what I call image, how to apply image on the HTML. So the thing you need to do is know that we have different folders which will have all different types of documents we are going to use. Now for you to put this image which we have on our image folder, you will start with an angular bracket img. It's called image, is an inbuilt tag on HTML. So the next thing again is src, the resource locator of the image. Then put equals to a double quotation mark. Now period backward slash is an escape sequence which tells the browser go out of the current folder, locate a folder called an image, then you put another backward slash. Then now this is where you're going to put the name of the image with its extension. So we go to our folder. So I'm going to go to the folder we created, HTML class. So this is my HTML class. I'm going to open the folder, then open the image folder to copy one of the images here. So I will select this image, then right click, go to the properties. Then the properties is opening up like this. Here on the top, on the field set here, you copy all of this name you are seeing here. This is the name of the image with the with the extension. So I'm going to copy it, go to OK. So we have to minimize the file, then open up our notepad, press back. Then now we're going to paste the image name with the extension here. Then close our double quotation mark, backward slash, close the angular bracket. Now if you have done this, automatically this image have been imported from the image folder into the HTML folder. So if you save this and you go back to the browser, then refresh the browser, here is the image. Wow. So the next thing I'll be showing you how to output your video. So how to output your video. First of all, you have to have angular bracket, have p tag, which is paragraph. I want to take this video to the next line. Also I'll apply it to this text here. So that I will take this, the image will go to the next line. So down here I will have angular brackets because this is a video I want to output here. So I'll put I'll put the video here, video space src, the resource locator, then is equals to still double quotation mark. You'll be seeing that this is actually the same thing we have in how to output image. So we're going to have what we call period backward slash. Now the video is inside video folder, so I'll write video backward slash. I'll go back to my folder. On my folder I'll go to the click back, I'll go open the video folder, then select the video, right click, go to properties. So my properties, I have to copy all the whole name inside this tag here. So I'll just put my cursor on it, make sure my cursor is blinking. Just Ctrl A copies everything, selects everything for you, then Ctrl C copies it for you, then go to OK, still minimize again. I'll come back to this place and I'll paste the name of the video with its extension. So I'll put a double quotation mark, space. Now if we actually save this like this, you see that the video will not be able to play. So if I actually put backward slash here, angular bracket here, and I save this, return back to my browser, and I refresh my browser, so this is what I've been seeing. This is the video, but the video cannot be able to play and cannot control the video unless you put a tag which called before, immediately after the closing of the quotation mark, called what they call controls. Controls actually gives you a control panel where that will enable you to play the video, actually pause the video, and actually decrease and increase the volume, and also to enlarge the video to take full control of your screen. So if I save this and I return back to my browser and refresh on it, you see a control down here already. This the control that allows you to play the video. So if I click on this place, so the video is playing, right? So that is it. I can actually fast forward it. I can also decrease the volume, and I can actually increase this video to take full charge of my screen. So go back to my right hand side on this box you're seeing here, click on it to return back to its normal size. So you can actually pause this now. But there's another thing you can do to this video. What if you don't want once the video is on a browser, let it run immediately a user visits the web browser? So what you need to put immediately after these controls here, you call what they call autoplay. Autoplay. This autoplay will allow the video to play immediately a user visits the web browser. So if I have written this, save it and go back to the browser. Just refresh, automatically the video is playing. That is how it works. So the next thing I need to show you here is how to actually put your document on the web browser, a PDF document to the web browser. So already we have our PDF document already in the browser, right? So what we need to do here is for us to come down here under the video and actually put our angular bracket again. Now because it's the PDF document, we're going to use a space href, which is your link. Href is equals to double quotation mark still period escape sequence backward slash. So I'll copy the direction of the video. So I'll go back to my file, go back to the folder, then go to my documents, make sure select the document, right click, go to the properties. The properties is coming up. Now you copy the whole of this like this, copy it, say okay, minimize again. Now I'm going to come back to this page, then I'll paste this, close my angular bracket, then close my double quotation mark, close my angular bracket, then put what? Download what? PDF. Then open my angular bracket, then close the angular bracket. Then if I refresh this, so before then I have to put a p tag here so that this will go down. So I'll open my angular bracket here, p backward slash, close the angular bracket, then save this. So let's return back to our browser. So in our browser here, I will refresh. So you are seeing a link here, download. Sorry, this is playing already. So you are seeing what they call download PDF here. So once I click on download PDF, which we will have there, the PDF is going to open up for us here. So why is not coming up? I think we are missing something. So I need to actually tell the browser where this is coming from. So immediately after the backwards, after the period, I need to tell the browser that this folder is inside what? A document called document. Then go backward slash here, save it, return back to the browser. So I'll go back here, then refresh this, and pause this. then return back to the page, click on it. So now this is the document. The document has been opened. So if you look at this page, you see what they call Microsoft Word, the name of the document here, the how many pages the folder has. So this here, you can actually rotate the page. You can actually download through here. You can print through this page. If you look at this page, you see what you can actually enlarge this or decrease or enlarge. You can actually increase it with plus sign here or minus sign here to decrease it. So each ways. So this now, if you notice that I would not write any code that will do this for us, but automatically this came out like this immediately. Click the link. So this is how to put a document on the browser for the user to download, actually to read about it or print from the browser, just automatically like that. So this is how to do this. So there's other ways you can actually do this immediately a user visits the website. So that is actually how it's going to be. But for now, we're going to be leaving this at the point of how it is now. So for you to continue with this video, with this video and other videos, you can visit my website, my channel, which is Programming Aids Arcade. Programming Aids Arcade is spelled like this. I'm going to open up my page here, so I'll show you how my own is. So Programming Aids Arcade is spelled as Programming Aids Arcade. So this is the name of my channel on the YouTube. You can visit this channel, then you can subscribe to it, and you can actually see other video tutorials which I had on Microsoft Word and also in Java. So thank you for watching this. See you next time.